This is a Class 15 clone sewing machine. It is a Rolls Deluxe. It is a simple straight stitch all metal machine, 3/4 amp motor. It's in overall good cosmetic condition. The decals on the deck are in good condition. It uses the 15 bobbins, 15x1 needles. It has 4 level feed dogs, or 5 level feed dogs actually, bobbin winder, and it's all metal. It has a built-in light. And it's a nice machine. So some things for you here. It comes with bobbins and a zipper foot assembly. Bobbins and needles can be bought at any Joann Fabrics, Hancock Fabrics, Walmart, or anywhere that stocks basic sewing supplies. You also get a copy of a Class 15 instruction manual. Uses low shank screw-on attachments and feet. This is 10 layers of cotton. Has adjustable presser foot pressure. All metal, no plastic. Nice straight stitch. 5 layers of woven upholstery. It's ready for tabletop sewing, or you can put it in a cabinet or a carrying case. Should fit in any Singer type cabinet. It does have a rounded deck and the same size. This is a jeans pocket, folded in half. All seams still in place. This machine does very nicely at sewing the multiple layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. There, it went right through the seams. Nice through the multiple layers of denim. We're going to run it right down the seam here. Right down the seams, front and back over the jeans pocket. You are going to get these fabric samples also. 4 layers of raw denim. This is a nice little machine for heavy duty projects. 4 layers of leather. I'm going to help it through a little bit just because I don't have a walking foot. Walking foot's a little nicer and easier on the machine if you're going to work with sticky, thick fabrics like leather or vinyl. 4 layers with nice stitching. And last but not least, just to show you don't always have to sew elephant hide, 2 layers of very delicate chiffon. The machine does just as nicely on something delicate as it does on the thick fabric. And of course, on more delicate fabrics, you're going to want to change to a smaller needle like a size 9 or an 11. It didn't make a whole lot of difference. It still looks very nice. And that is a simple little straight stitch Class 15 clone sewing machine.